Travis ride along. He's putting on his helmet. He dropped the shield to go faster. All right, I'm just waiting for this guy. You ready? He's just
lose my head.
He doesn't want to lose his head.
Huh?
He's putting his helmet on. All right, you ready?
Hey, Friday Night Racing.
All right, here we go. This is where I like that.
Oh, yeah.
No, I missed it. I hit it. That's what I'm telling you. I gotta like get it to spin to get it to go over there. Oh, there's my cone. Oh, that's what I want to do last time.
Go.
That's better.
Oh my God. Just roll over the cone.
It does not want to go where it wants to go at all.
I can't hold on.
There you go.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
He's dead.